So tonight I'm going to be showing you how to make super simple, super fun one-pot bolognese. So far I've had cooking at about 420 degrees my mirepoix and my meats. So today my mirepoix consisted of onions, celery, carrots, and a little bit of garlic, along with a 50-50 mix, a local ground beef, and spicy Italian sausage pork. I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of tomato sauce. We're going to deglaze with a little bit of red wine. Add some seasoning to it, incorporate it, and then of course some fresh herbs. Today I have some basil and oregano from the garden. All right, we're going to let this marinate in itself. Then the next step is to add about 2 cups of chicken broth. Once that evaporates, you're going to have a really nice glossy mixture, and then you're going to finish that off with whatever kind of cream you would like. It can be as basic as milk to, if you want something richer, use something like a goat cheese or chev.